Today we had a roundtable conference on time definition. Under legal metrology, Indian Standard Time rule we are notifying. So in that, we are now one nation, one time, definition of Indian Standard Time. इसका जो रूल है, that rule will be mandated very shortly. Exact date will be decided at the later stage for all legal, commercial, and administrative and digital activity. And in today's data-driven world, unsynchronized clocks lead to digital mismatches, investigation challenges, and network inefficiency. Several systems currently rely on the foreign timing sources like GPS, posing the risk of cyber attacks, inconsistency, and non-traceable timestamps. This project addresses a long-standing gap of institutionalizing the IST as the official legal time of India. So since we have decided to implement and notify the legal metrology Indian Standard Time rules, and that is going to be mandatory, we had a roundtable conference with all stakeholders, from railways to telecom service providers, many representatives, bankers, financial institutions, SEBI, NSE, many such people had participated, and especially NPL and ISRO, in coordination with the Ministry of Consumer Affairs, since legal metrology comes under us, they have done an extremely good job. Very shortly, Indian Standard Time will be a reality in India. We will have our own time. भारत का समय आया है और भारत का समय शुरू होगा.